Here's a poem with an epigraph by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Want is a growing giant whom the coat of have was never large enough to cover. The secret of happiness. The ancient monk held forth on how to be happy. Just want what you have. The ageless Buddhist replies, want is the root of all suffering. Open grasping hands to empty palms and receive in full. Every day cast away some desire until you expire. So the meditation on the last letting go is your final breath.